Hi everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I'm making a lovely recipe. This is my Minty Blackberry Smoothie. So it's still really hot in Australia, so this is a perfect recipe to get some nice nutrients while being really refreshing. I'm using the Vitamix A3500 today. This is Vitamix's top of the line model, and I'm using the 1.4 litre container. This is perfect for making smoothies and smaller portions of recipes. I'm gonna start with some nice coconut water. So this is just gonna make our smoothie really hydrating. I'm just gonna go to the bottom of that blade base there. Next, I've got one banana. So this is gonna add a nice creamy texture to our smoothie, and it's also really good for us because it's filled with complex carbohydrates. So that means that it's gonna release energy slowly throughout the day. I've got my wonderful blackberries. These are great for our health. They're filled with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. They're wonderful for our immune system. So great to get in. So I've got 3 punnets here. This is the step where you add in mint. Lastly, I've got about 2 cups of ice. This is just gonna cool it down, make it nice and refreshing. Wonderful, let's lock our lid into place. So the Vitamix won't turn on unless that's locked into place. This Vitamix model has pre-programmed functions. I'm gonna select our smoothie function. So it automatically registers that there's the 1.4 litre container size on there and adjusts the time. So that's gonna go for 40 seconds. Amazing, that's such a beautiful color. Smells nice and fresh. Let's pour that out. Look at that texture, it's so beautiful and creamy. Just what we want. Cheers. It's really lovely. It's nice and refreshing, it's sweet. Just what I want on a hot day. Happy blending.